What's up, Dough Chaser? This is Jason White, CEO and founder of Witness Riches. I want to be doing something very special at the end of the month, and I want to give you an opportunity to take advantage of this. There's a lot of you who have credit repair issues, you have credit score issues, or you have particular questions that need answers when it comes to your credit needs. And I want to give you an opportunity to speak to me personally. At the end of every month, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold a drawing on my YouTube and IG channel live. And I'm gonna pick 10 people to have a free 30-minute consultation with me where I share information with you that's gonna help you take your credit to the next level. So if you are someone who wants to enter this monthly drawing, all you have to do to enter this contest is text the word call to 58632. All you have to do is text the word call, C-A-L-L, to the number 58632, and you, my friend, will have the opportunity every month to get on my schedule absolutely free. This is a $200 value, and I'm gonna give this away to 10 people every month. So if you are interested in having the opportunity to talk with me and you wanna enter this contest, all you have to do right now, text the word call, C-A-L-L, to the number 58632, and you're gonna have the chance to win a free 30-minute consultation with me personally. So, hopefully you take advantage of this opportunity. If you are someone who is serious about your credit, I highly recommend it. Text the word call to the number 58632 right now. And at the end of the month, I'm gonna have a live drawing on YouTube and my IG channel. And make sure you tune in because you may be a part of the Lucky 10. Again, my name is Jason White. I truly appreciate you being a part of my channel and my page. Thank you for following me. And I look forward to helping you transcend financially. I'm out.